Tired of your meticulously crafted Tableau dashboards looking messy because your data table is just too big? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scrollable table in Tableau, making it easy to display extensive datasets without sacrificing your dashboard's visual appeal. First, open your Tableau workbook with the dashboard containing the table you want to make scrollable. Make sure your table is already created as a separate sheet within your workbook. Now, navigate back to your dashboard. In the Objects pane, you will want to drag either a horizontal or vertical container onto your dashboard. The choice depends on how you want the other elements of your dashboard to arrange around the scrolling table, but for this example, we will choose a vertical container position and resize the container where you want your table to appear. Drag the sheet containing your table into the container. It should now be placed inside the container frame. Next, click on the container in the item hierarchy to select the entire container, not just the table within it. You will find the item hierarchy on the layout pane. While the container is selected, scroll down in the layout pane until you find the Add Scroll Bar when needed option, and select that box. If the table's dimensions exceed the container size, Tableau will automatically add a scroll bar. Lastly, make sure your dashboard is set to a fixed size or automatic size. Using a fixed size gives you control over the exact dimensions, ensuring the scroll bar appears correctly. Adjust the height and width of the dashboard as needed to make sure all your data is visible. And that's it. You have now successfully created a scrolling table in your Tableau dashboard, giving your users the ability to explore all your data, no matter how extensive it is.